We all know that glass can be hard to keep clean. Glass has invisible imperfections and a pitted surface ideal for water and grime to cling to. Thanks to the BalcoNano coating, you now protect the surface and transform any normal glass into self-cleaning glass. BalcoNano forms an invisible, hard and microscopically smooth shield, preventing the build-up of dirt and protecting the surface. Using BalcoNano is simple. Each sachet set is good for coating a square metre. In a well-ventilated area, clean the surface you wish to coat well, using water to remove any dirt, smudges, etc. The cleaner the surface you start with, the better the coating will be. Dry the surface with a paper cloth. Using gloves, open sachet number 1, labelled cleaner, and take out the wine. Wet the surface with the cleaner cloth. Make sure to cover the entire area you want to coat. Continue to use the cleaning cloth to polish the surface until it is completely dry. Now take the second coating cloth. Using the number 2 coating cloth, wet the surface, making sure you cover the entire area you want to coat, and polish until completely dry and free of streaks. Ensure you leave for 10 minutes before applying water. For a perfect finish, do not apply in high humidity. Important things to remember. Keep away from children. Each sachet is suitable for approximately 1 square metre or 11 square feet of application. To ensure your coating lasts, do not use harsh chemicals to clean the glass after coating. Store the sachets in a well-ventilated area. The sachets must not be stored or used at ambient temperatures above 50 or below 5 degrees centigrade. BalcoNano is perfect for use on roof lights, conservatories, glass doors, windows, bathroom ceramic tiles and also your car windscreen. BalcoNano. Transform regular glass into self-cleaning glass.